Welcome to another weekly roundup from the studios of Pro AVL Central. Like we knew it would, IBC came and went in a flash. It seemed like a matter of hours spanned the time between the 1,250 exhibitors painstakingly erecting, then demolishing their booths across the Rye. Our show review video is available to watch on the usual channels. And as I bid farewell to Amsterdam, Chris took the Thalys to France and he met up with Sue, where they have been meeting great Parisians from L-Acoustics, Holophonics, Analog Way and Modular Pi. In Dubai, LD Systems sales partner ProLab invited attendees to a one-day partner and customer event at their headquarters. Highlights of LD Systems Day included the first hands-on demonstration of the MAILA system in the UAE. Meanwhile, over in the Philippines, Adam Hall has appointed joint venture Audiovisual and Lighting as their distributor. In Daejeon, VIOSO's auto-calibration technology has been used to create a curved 3D visualization theatre in the headquarters of the Korea Institute of Science and Technology Information. The new space is set in a challenging, corner-free take of a classic virtual reality cave. Powered by a freely hanging projector rig mounted on the high ceiling 13 Barco UDM 4K 15 projectors output immersive stereoscopic images onto the curved walls and floor. In Sydney, the ArtHouse Hotel has brought the grandeur of the heritage-listed structure's high vaulted ceilings and panel walls to life with a major AV and lighting refurbishment. The variable SPLs of the Rabbit Bar are now output by a range of D&B loudspeakers powered by 10D and 30D amplifiers along its lengthy room. Installed by Beyond Network Solutions, the NAS Solutions design also covers the small VIP areas with D&B 5S loudspeakers. Transporting the viewer into the Bwindi Impenetrable National Park in Uganda, the Hearts of Bwindi documentary was recently released on World Ranger Day. Production team Biscuit Bunker opted for a Blackmagic Design camera set up with editing on DaVinci Resolve Studio via the Blackmagic Cloud. On paper, the documentary posed challenges, namely running around a humid, wet and dirty equatorial forest. Fortunately, the cameras were reported to be as good as new at the end of each day. A few appointments and acquisitions to note before we finish. Lightware Visual Engineering has announced Robin Enlund as their president for the Greater APAC region. Based in Sydney, Enlund will work closely with distributors, consulting companies and Lightware offices in the region. Shure has reached an agreement to acquire Finnish software specialist Wavemark, who are a leader in theatre, film, TV, broadcast and content streaming applications. The acquisition will add Wavemark's audio and listening products to Shure's Pro Audio portfolio alongside applications like Wireless Workbench. And an all-French affair sees audio over IP solutions specialist Digigram acquiring audio networking solutions company AuviTran. Starting a development phase in the critical communications market, Digigram hopes the purchase will strengthen its position in the pro audio market. Our Danish friends DPA Microphones has opened a new HQ in the Copenhagen suburb of Kokkedal. We're looking forward to receiving our housewarming invitation to their modern 1,700 square metre facility, which puts an emphasis on R&D, studio spaces and, of course, green and environmental solutions. As the Danes move in, I'll be heading out west on various roads from the heart of Texas next week. As I amble towards the Pacific, I will be visiting a few undiscovered brands in their native backyards and will be happy to dine in Tex-Mex restaurants along the way. Tales from the road to follow. Until next week, stay in touch, stay informed, stay tuned to our Pro AVL website. Hasta la vista.